Here I have BLACKVIEW BV6600, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have night light. So by tapping on this button you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change its color, intensity, and you can add a schedule for it. You can set up a custom time schedule, or you can set it from sunset to sunrise, but first you will have to grant location access to this feature, and then you can set it up like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.